Hi, Greg Buckley here from Buckley's Auto Care, and this is the first of a series of learning how to be safe inside your car. We all know some of the things that can happen outside of our vehicle, especially when we're trying to, let's say, change a tire, look under the hood. There's a lot of things that may cause us to have an injury if we attempt to do some of the things. However, what we want to focus on here are some of the ways that you can remain safe, be safer. As we say, drive safe, drive smart. So today we're going to talk about windows and window safety. Now, today's cars more than likely have have power windows. It's not an option anymore. It's pretty much by default that all cars are made with power windows. It's an option actually to not have power windows, and that's still rare. Power windows are convenient. They allow you to control everything in one area. You don't have to reach across the driver's side or the passenger side or the rear to open a door. So there is huge convenience in it, and but also there's safety issues involved. So today let's talk about the power windows. Now I'm in a 2017 Ford F-150, and it has all the power features that you would think. And now we want to talk about how to control these windows. All right, so let's go down here to the master control panel, which we have right here. And you can see the functions. You have your front mirrors, left side and right side, and the angle and how to set them. But also here, look, we have a window lockout. That window lockout is really important because that'll stop all of these three windows from operating at their location. So you can control it as the driver, but your passengers cannot. And those passengers could include small children or maybe a pet that could get on there, and their paw can get on there to roll the window down when you don't want them to and least expect it. So the pet stays in the car. It doesn't become injured or a fatality by falling out of the car, and that goes for your children as well or other passengers. So let's make sure that we keep that locked if we have small passengers in the vehicle or that we have pets or people that you don't trust. So keep the windows locked down as you're driving if you desire. Now, for this case here, we're going to look at the push button. Now, most windows are one drop down, one push, and the window will go down, just like we had seen. Now, on the way up, it'll do the same. All right. Great. All right. Now, in the newer cars, they all do that. In some of your older ones, they will not be a one-touch up. They could be a one-touch down, but not a one-touch up. And in some of your older models, it will be you have to hold the button down to actually get a reaction, to operate the window. All right. So the second one is, now let's bring the window down. Now, for safety purposes, let's watch and see what happens when I have my arm in there. I'm going up, 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 up. Oh, see that? The window automatically senses back pressure and will drop back down to a safe level. That's pretty important because it won't come up to crush your arm. However, it may be enough to bruise sensitive skin or that of a child or that of a pet. So again, you have to be cautious of how these windows operate. Once you take your finger off of that button, the window's going to do what it wants to do. So in short, be knowledgeable, be aware of your windows and all your power accessories in the vehicle. Prevent injuries, prevent mishaps, and drive safe, drive smart. Greg Buckley, Buckley's Auto Care. As always, thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.